Wish you a very happy new year. So thank you for taking your time out and joining us in yet another significant landmark in the history of playing and the turning point in the lives of several jackpot winners. My name is Lindsay Rosario and I shall be the voice of this wonderful afternoon. Playing has always stood on the pillars of operational transparency and legality across the gaming sector. We have always lived up to the expectations of new games and gaming platforms in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so proud to let you know that we have created 93 crore as well as 4,500 lakh across India. I think that definitely requires a round of applause. Not only that, we have got smiles in the lives of many people who are in need, right from being associated to the NGO Akansha, which works for the underprivileged, to sponsoring blood donation camps, to midday meals in Karnataka. If you ask me, I think Playwin is a dream facilitator and gives wings to so many people's dreams. So let's begin with today's press conference. Without further ado, allow me to introduce our panel. To my left is Mr. Rahul Tangri, the President of Pan India Network Limited. To his left, the stunning diva. I'm a big fan of you. We all know her, but I can't remember. Welcome, Mr. Sagar Sule, the CTO of Pan India Network Limited. Welcome, sir. I would request Mr. Tangri and Mr. Sule to felicitate Malaika with a token of appreciation. Firstly, everybody, a very, very happy New Year. I hope everyone's had a wonderful year so far, and I'm looking forward to 2016. I'd like to firstly wish all the members of the press, all our guests over here who've come. Mr. Sule, Mr. Tangri, thank you so much for all those wonderful words. It feels amazing. I'll be very honest, I've heard about Playwin and I've heard all about this, but I really didn't know how it actually plays out. I really didn't know. I've seen it, I've watched it, I've seen all those numbers and everybody go all crazy about it, but I didn't know how it actually works. So I'm really glad that I could be here. I've learned something new today. So firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate each one of our 7 Playwin mega winners over here, our mega jackpot winners. So congratulations. That's fantastic, and well, like Mr. Tangri said, this, dreams come true. You have sitting in your house, you can actually make dreams come true, and it's amazing that the opportunities that you're giving, to all these wonderful people out there actually brings a smile to their face. It gives them a sense of hope. It gives them a sense of wanting to achieve something, and I think that's amazing. I think anybody who can bring a smile to anyone's face is you're blessed. That's all I can say. Because in today's day and age, to bring a smile on someone's face is probably the most difficult thing on God's good earth. But I'm really glad that I can be over here, and it's quite amazing. How can I become a crorepati? I want to know. How do I? Forget add. How do we become a crorepati? Tell me that. I need to know the secret. I'm really amazed. I'm like, all with just a 10 rupee ticket, you can actually, and some luck. Of course, lady luck is very important. Kismat is very, very important. So all you say is with a 10 rupee ticket and some luck added to it, you can actually become ghar baithe online, right? All these apps are online. You can become a crorepati, you can become a lakhpati, and what more do you want? I think that is brilliant. I think it's the most amazing concept ever.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing more. With the highest in the history of India jackpot, we have given 17.65 crores to one lucky winner. Way back in which year? 2006-07.
Wow, that is amazing. I just want to tell all our amazing 7 winners over there, 10% आपका मेरे लिए, ठीक है? हाँ, बनता है यार. I think that's only fair. I'm really glad, I'm really honored, jokes apart, that I can be here to witness this amazing, check handover ceremony. I'm really happy that I can be part of today's events and today's proceedings. So without any further delay or further ado, I would like. But before we go any further, I just want to know, can I try my hand? I mean, you're talking about luck.
Please do come
Can I try my hand?
Sure, please come.
So we have a playroom terminal right there. Where is this person playing now? I think allowed? Let's start with
थोड़ा पीछे है विनोद नंबर 7
like number 7, number 9, number 23.
पीछे आना विनोद अरे मी
कितने हो गए? 4 हो गए. Number 31.
कौन दाढ़ी कर रहा
Number 4. हो गए? 6
लगने वाला ही है
Sure, count कर लो.
लगेगा
10% हमारा
लगा दो सब हम
Now what's gonna happen?
Your lucky numbers are 4, 5, 7, 9, 23 and 31.
These are my lucky numbers over here.
Keep the same, right?
The Super Lotto, playing Super Lotto, these are my lucky numbers, and I hope and pray 2016 brings me lot of luck, right?
भाई क्या कर रहे हैं
So I have to hold on to this ticket, right? I will.
लगेगा तो 10% में ना
And now the felicitation of our crorepati's. I would now like to call Mr. Anil Devlikar, who has won the check amount of rupees 2.64 crores. Congratulations, sir. ये जो ताली होनी चाहिए ना, 2 करोड़ वाली ताली होनी चाहिए. Mr. Tamri and Miss Malaika will take the winner.
सॉरी
Congratulations, Mr. Anil. Yes, I want to know कि किसका चेहरा देखा आपने उस दिन? Who did you? बहुत खुश है. क्या करेंगे मतलब इस चेक के साथ? क्या करेंगे? पैसे का क्या करेंगे? क्या बात कर रहे हो? आप सब invited हो. नहीं, congratulations and all the very best and enjoy it, and I'm really happy for you. Thank you so much. Congrats. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Anil. I would now like to invite Mr. Somdeo of Shri Sai Center to collect his commission check of rupees 2.64 lakhs. The retailers are a very integral part of the Playman family. And we felicitate them with 2% of the total amount, that is 2.1% of the total amount. So, Mr. Somdev of Shri Sai Center. Somdev ji, congratulations. $2.64 lakhs has been won by Mr. Somdev of Shri Sai Center. Next we have our second Playman crorepati of the afternoon. Could we have Mr. Girish Patel, and he has won the Playman Thunderbolt Lotto winner. A total amount of rupees 3 crores. मुझे बताइए इतने सारे पैसे आप क्या करने वाले हैं? इससे तो दोस्ती मैं कर रही हूँ।
मैसेज देना है लोगों को, लिविंग के लिए एक मैसेज देना है। कभी पिताजी ने मुझे एक बार बोला था, जो खेलेगा वही जीतेगा। कोई भी खेल हो लाइफ का, यू विन इफ यू प्ले एंड प्ले विद पेशेंस। ये बोलूँगा।
कब से खेल रहे हैं?
मैं कंसेक्यूटिव 3 साल से खेल रहा हूँ।
वेरी गुड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन। आप बताएं, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ही खुश हूँ, बहुत बहुत गॉड ब्लेस यू। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज मुझे भगवान ने बहुत ही मेहरबानी कर दी। थैंक यू।
हाँ, नंबर देखे आई वाज स्टन, मतलब मैं स्टन था। मैं नंबर देख के ना पहले तो बीवी को उठाया और वो सोई भी 11 बजे
ऑडियो
11 साढ़े 11 हो गए थे। मैं उठाया, रात को होगी आप भी सोइए,
अरे मेरे का
रात को होगी आप भी सोइए। मैं उठ के बताया
बड़ा बड़ा 4 बच्चे का फोटो बना देगा।
नहीं सो जाओ। इनको तो मतलब वो मोमेंट इतना स्टन था कि मतलब शॉकिंग मोमेंट था। और शी वाज लाइक,
आपने डांस किया, आपने क्या किया?
खुशी के मारे मुझे बोलना था। अब शी वाज क्लोज, मतलब नजदीक में वो थी, तो मैं बोला बताऊं उसको, तो शी वाज स्लीपिंग, उसको उठा के नहीं बताया मैंने।
रात को आप शिवरिंग, लेकिन इस वक्त आपको मतलब वो शिवरिंग चला गया ना? अभी ये अभी इस वक्त आपके लिए आप 2 स्टेप कीजिए, खुशी के स्टेप्स आप कीजिए सबके लिए। आपको बड़ा शिव लगा ना? हाँ, आपके साथ करिए।
3, 2, 1, God bless you. God bless you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Mr. Girish Patel and family. I would now like to invite Mr. Ajay of Siddhivinayak Online to collect his commission check of rupees 2.7 lakhs. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. And now our third Playvin Crorepati. For the Playvin Saturday Super Lotto, the winner is Mr. Vishwa Gaur. And on behalf of Mr. Vishwa Gaur, we have Mr. Ketan, who will be collecting the check. And Asha Thakkar, who has won 5 lakhs. On behalf of Asha Thakkar, we have Vinay, who will be collecting the check. And now I would request Vimal Saya to please come on the stage to collect his check of 5 lakhs. Congratulations! आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए, थोड़ी जलन हो रही है आपको, थोड़ा ताली बजाओ। Our next winner, Prerna Vinod Lula, who has won 2,50,000. Could we have on stage Mahesh ji to take the check? Okay, and now request all the Crorepatis to come on the stage. Crorepatis, सारे Crorepatis. आ जाइए. Yes. So all the Crorepatis and the Lakpatis, please come.
a smile. Come on. Okay, अभी आपको फ्लेविन का टैगलाइन बोलना है. क्या है? खेलो इंडिया मोहन. वही जोश में बोलना है, साथ में बोलना है, कैमरा के सामने. ओके, अभी ऑल सेट? रेडी है हम? खेलो इंडिया खेलो. 3, 2, 1. फिर से together with more energy. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Malaika, there are a lot of people who still don't believe in luck और उनको लगता है कि ये सब फिजूल है. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं उनको?
I think luck is a very important factor in anybody's life. Hard work is what takes you where you are. But I think सबके ज़िंदगी में वो थोड़ा बहुत luck और जैसे कहते हैं destiny, whatever is in your destiny is inevitable. But I think luck plays a huge part in your life. But of course you shouldn't rely completely on it. Hard work is very essential. It's a combination of both that actually propels you to wherever you want in life.
Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for the lady luck, Malaika Arora Khan here? And we have the cake.